Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Our today's topic is Gulliver Among the Little People for class 5th. Gulliver Among the Little People. Gulliver छोटे लोगों के दरमियान. लकटन लूकन मज Gulliver. Gulliver छ अख English man अख. English man गो अख अंग्रेज नफर अख युस ट्रेंड ओस आमुत करने युस गोडनेथ ओस सर्जन गो सर्जन डॉक्टर ऑपरेशन करने वो डॉक्टर इस पारो गोडनेथ ये पेट कना ये क्या इमेज इंट्रोडक्शन क्या ये वना पत वुचो इस सबक क्या वन Gulliver's travels recount the story of Lemuel Gulliver, an Englishman trained as a surgeon who narrates the adventures that befall him on his sea voyages. Gulliver Travels छ किताब युस लिखमज जोनाथन स्विफ्ट नाविक नफरन ऑरिजिनल टाइटल युस ऑरिजिनल नाव युस अत किताब सो ट्रेवल्स इनटू सेवरल रिमोट नेशंस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इन 4 parts by Lemuel Gulliver. First a surgeon, then a captain of several ships. Yus Gulliver Travels Gulliver num safar recounts the story of Lemuel Gulliver. यह तफसीलन बयान करान गुलिवरन तम सफर यम तम दरियाई या समंदरी या बहरी सफर यम तम कर्मत तफसीलन वन तो यह गुलिवर इंग्लिश मैन अंग्रेज नफर यह गोडने सर्जन पे मे तुम वो सर्जन गो ऑपरेशन कर वोल डॉक्टर ऑपरेशन करने माहिर आसान who narrates the adventures that befall him on his sea voyages. So wana timen muhiman has dalil timen zabardast kaimen has dalil yemen maz jaan ki baji pewan lagawi timen has dalil chi wana yum has emes eman samandari safran doran bitpey timen has dalil chi as tabar tafsilan ye wana. The story is set in early 18th century England. Dapan ये story युस यह अर्धा शत century 18th century युस तम किस गोडनिकस आगाजस मज इंग्लैंडस मज गमत. His ship called the Antelope witnessed a firestorm. Tम हस तासुन जो ship ओस यथ नाव ओस Antelope. तासुन ship Gulliver ship यथ नाव ओस the Antelope. यह छ वुछान अख जबरदस्त अख फायरस गो तेज गजबनाक या खूनखार यह वुछान अमिस सामना गसान अकिस जबरदस्त तूफान सकिस तेज तूफान विटनेस वन गवाहस कह चीज वुच एन शाहिद तवे दपान हिज शिप कॉल्ड द एंटेलोप विटनेस द फायर स्टॉर्म तसुद शिप गोस बहरी जहाज या समंदरस में पकन वोल जहाज तथ गो सामना तम वुच खूनखार तेज स्टॉर्म तूफान He, however, swims safely to a shore and soon falls asleep. Magar yum has baki nafar tat maz tम बचाए न कह तम मज बचाव यह अख नफर तो यह वोत हिफाजत सान अकिस समंदर किस बटिस पे तो पेस नंदर and soon falls asleep. युथी बटिस पे वोत पेस नंदर. He wakes up to find himself tied to the ground with small pieces of thread. Yel su nindri wut he wakes up to find himself yel su nindri wut tम su wuch panun pan tired go gindit to the ground zamina sait with small pieces of thread. Yum lakad asan chi mo sait is palaw ch sowa yum pan asan palaw suno pan asan che tithi pan sait wuchim panun pan gindit zamina sait. Read out the story to find out what happens next. Ye paro is dalil bonkun ta pat wucho brokun kya go at bapar to the oxadian pat kar explain karne ki koshish. Once a ship called the Antelope was on its way to the South Seas. There were 30 sailors in it with a captain and a doctor. The ship was sailing near a rock. All of a sudden, there was a storm with rain and thunder. The sea roared, the wind blew and the waves rose high. The ship struck the rock and broke in two. The sailors jumped into the sea. Only one man reached the shore and saved himself. He was the ship's doctor, Lemuel Gulliver. Gulliver found himself all alone on an island. He left the seashore and walked for some time across open fields. Then he lay down on the soft grass. He was very tired and soon fell asleep. He woke up early in the morning. He wanted to get up but he could not move his arms or legs. They were tied to the ground with strings. At mans kya lafaz yum thoda mushkil pahan asan ya nayi pahan lafaz asan timon mane likhet ship go bahri jahaz ya pani ka jahaz abas mein pakan wol jahaz. Sail go samandar mein jana, bahri safar karna, samandari safar karna. Sailor go mullah to jahaz ran, captain go kaptan, jahaz ka sarbara yus jahazuk zoot ais. Surgeon operation karne ka mahir doctor. Rock go chatan ya pahad, thunder बादल की गरज, रोर जोर से चलाना, गरजना. स्ट्रक past tense of strike. Strike yus छ emuक yus या past tense छ सु छ struck which means hit emuक मतलब गो कुछ टकरान. ले लेटना या लेट जाना, woke up जाग गया, string गो डोरी रस्सी. वो करो ये थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश पनी जब मदर टंग मंस कशीर पट. Once a ship called the Antelope was on its way to the South Seas. Dapan ek waqt us ak jahaz ak yat naw us Antelope on its way to the South Seas. Yos pakan South Season kun. South go junub side jam samandar che teman samandar kun os ye pakan. There were 30 sailors in it with a captain and a doctor. Atmaz is 30 mullah ya 30 jahaz ran is atmaz 30 sailors at Antelope jahaz maz taimun maz was a captain bi was a doctor. The ship was sailing near a rock. Yos pakan ekis chatanas nazdik. The ship was ekis chatanas nazdik pakan. All of a sudden there was a storm with rain and thunder. Achanak आवत अख तूफान अख यथ मज रूद तोस यथ मज गगराय तस गगराय गसान रूद पेवान तम सत आव तूफान अथ समंदरस मज द सी रोर्ड समंदरस मज गो जबरदस्त चीख पकार गई शुरू जबरदस्त शोर गो शुरू द विंड ब्लू हवा लग वारिया तेज पकने एंड द वेव्स रोज हाई यम समंदर च लहर आस थोद लजम वथने. The ship struck the rock and broke in two. Yus ship was, yus samandari jahaz was, ye takrav, ekis chatanas sait, the gayas zahis. The sailors jumped into the sea. Yom atmazum sailor is, yom mullah is, was saying what? Samandaras maz, S-E-A-C, you go samandar, biaksi go S-E-E-C, so go which one? Yimuk matlab is samandar. The sailors jumped into the sea. Yom sailor is, them was through what? Samandaras maz. Only one man reached the shore and saved himself. Magar akui nafar. Only one man. Sirif was ak nafar. Yus wot samandar betis pet and saved himself. The pan bachon. He was the ship's doctor, Lemuel Gulliver. Yus ye bachan wol nafar was. Yus ship's doctor was. Yes, now was Lemuel Gulliver. Lemuel Gulliver found himself all alone on an island. Lemuel Gulliver kya sush panun pan stood sirf akkunoi zon ekis island pet. Island go jazir. Jazir ko matlab go yetun ayo sado aab ais mans bag ais khoshki hund ak alaka tach wana island. Aiti has wuching panun pan. Gulliver found himself. Gulliver wush panun pan all alone on an island ekis jazir pet. He left the seashore and walked for some time across open fields. So drawait ait biut na samandar bits pet ke log thoda pakne brokun pahan for some time time spoke across open fields mas kull khet yum khet khalianas apir pok kets times. Then he lay down on the soft grass but shung so naram gasas pet. He was very tired and soon fell asleep. So samadars mas thought we variah thokmot samadars mas pek variah thokmot ems pe jaldi hai Nandar and soon fell asleep as jaldi Nandar. He woke up early in the morning. So subah silly thought he wanted to get up, but he could not move his arms or legs. So chasan thod watun, magar tim hejna harkatai karyat na panian nadan na panian zangan. They were tied to the ground with strings. Tomasak razaw sait gindith thai mas zimena sait. Aws go itsahan. Net maz kya sawal, bada asan sawal. Pikru kushim and jawapan leknas. Question number 1. How many sailors were in the ship? Some at ship was atmas gus sailor is. Question number 2. The ship struck the dash and broke in dash. Tashrif khari jai pura karya. Question number 3. Who reached the shore and saved himself? Im ship maz kus bachav to wo samandar bits pet bachon pan. Question number 4. Gulliver found himself all alone on an. Gulliver found himself alone on an. Gulliver was pan kunai the kite wushon as go itzihan shukriya.